Lucky Chinese Knot Crochet Tutorial. Slow-paced demonstration, beginner-friendly. Let's get started together. Materials needed are as follows. Start with a slip knot. Then, crochet chain stitches, make 3 in total. Next, work back from the second to last stitch. Insert the hook through the middle of the stitch, picking up the back loop, then yarn over and pull through. There will be 2 loops on the hook. Make sure the loops are not too tight. For the next stitch, also pick up the back loop, yarn over, and pull through, leaving 3 loops on the hook. Now, hold the fabric firmly between your left thumb and middle finger, especially the position of the last loop, ensuring it's secure. When you pull the yarn outward with your index finger, the loops on the hook should not move. Next, detach the hook from the first 2 loops. If the fabric is held firmly, these 2 loops will not come undone. Then, bring the yarn from behind, yarn over, and pull through the loop on the hook. Next, insert the hook into the next loop, yarn over and pull through. Finally, insert the hook into the last loop, yarn over and pull through. 1 round is now complete. The next round is worked the same way. Let me demonstrate once more. Pinch the fabric firmly with your left hand, detach the hook from 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through the loop. Then, in sequence, insert the hook into each loop, yarn over and pull through. Every following round follows this method. Continuing until the length of the fabric can wrap around your palm 6 times. Now let me show you how to finish the final round. Yarn over and pull through the first loop. Then, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And finally yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Make 1 chain stitch to secure the knot. Cut off any excess yarn and weave the tail into the fabric. Finally, I'll teach you how to tie the lucky knot. Divide the yarn into 4 equal sections, with the top and bottom sections slightly longer if preferred. Fold the bottom section upward, then fold the right section to the left, placing it over the left section. Next, fold the top section downward. And finally fold the left section to the right, tucking it under the 2 left strands and pulling it through the loop on the right. Gently pull all 4 strands to tighten the center, but not too tightly. Repeat the same steps once more. Flip the knot over and you'll see 4 loops at each corner. Gently pull and adjust them to form small rings. That's it. Isn't it simple? Can't wait to see your finished projects.